In this video, I will show you how to change your Steam email address. So in this quick and easy tutorial, I will show you exactly how to change the email linked to your Steam account, whether you no longer have access to your old email or simply want to use a new one. And if this video does help you out today, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more helpful Steam tutorials and tech guides. So to do this, as you can see, I'm currently on Steam and I'm currently logged into my account. Now, what you need to do once you're logged in is come and click onto your name in the top where it says Manage Account. And from this menu that comes up, you want to click onto Account Details. What that's going to do is take you across to your Account Details page. From here, come over to the left and make sure you're clicked onto Account Details. And then what you want to do is come down to the Contact Info section just down here. Now in here, you can see your current email address, and what you can do is click the button here to change your email address. So what that's going to do is take you to a support page asking how you would like to change your email address. So in order to do this, you do have to verify your account, which means they're going to send a verification code to your phone number. If for any reason you don't have that, there is an option here. As you can see where it says I no longer have access to this phone number, or if you simply didn't receive the code, you can click that option as well. And then what it's going to do instead is ask to send a verification code to your current email address. Again, if you don't have access, there is an option here, but I'm just going to go ahead and select this option. So what it's going to ask you to do is enter the account verification code you received. And once you've done that, you can come and click continue. So what's going to happen is going to take you to this screen where it's going to display your current email address and a box underneath for your new email address. So what I'm going to do is change it to one of my other emails. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply click onto change email at the bottom. And what they're going to do is send a verification code to the email address that you're changing to. Once you've done that, click the confirm button underneath. And as you can see, it's going to take you to this screen. So you can see it says your email address has been updated and all future emails from Steam will go to your new address. At this point, just simply click on to continue. What that's going to do is take you back to your account details page. And as you can see, the email address has now been updated. So that's how to change Steam email. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Steam and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.